Hello, in this video I want to do a little problem from analytic geometry. And the question is to locate the points on the circle whose equation is x squared plus y squared minus 12x minus 4y plus 30 equals 0, which are closest and furthest from the origin 0, 0. Now I'm going to use an analytic approach. It can be done fairly easily intuitively, but I'm afraid on examinations the examiners tend to be quite fastidious people who prefer analysis over intuition. So I will use the analytic approach. So first of all, let's write the equation in a different form by completing the square. And that will be x minus 6 all squared plus y minus 2 all squared equals 10. I'm going to take a general point, coordinates xy on the circle, and let lambda be the square of the distance of this particular point from the origin, 0, 0. So, in other words, lambda will equal x squared plus y squared. And differentiating with respect to x, we get d lambda dx equals 2x plus 2y dy dx, which has to equal 0 for maximum and minimum values of lambda. And from that, we deduce that dy dx equals minus x over y. Going back to equation 1, we're going to get another expression for dy dx by differentiating again, and that will give us 2 bracket x minus 6 plus 2 bracket y minus 2, dy dx is 0, and from that we can easily deduce that dy dx equals 6 minus x over y minus 2. Now, eliminating the dy dx term, we will get minus x over y equals 6 minus x over y minus 2, which leads on to minus xy plus 2x equals 6y minus xy. The xy's conveniently disappear, and so we're left with 2x equals 6y and x equals 3y. And this is what we could have anticipated with a little bit of intuition. So, but moving on from there and substituting back into equation 1, we'll get 3y minus 6 all squared plus y minus 2 all squared equals 10, from which we get the quadratic equation, 10y squared minus 40y plus 30 is 0. Dividing through by 10, we get y squared minus 4y plus 3 equals 0. And that factorizes easily as y minus 1 minus y minus 3 equals 0. So y has the coordinates 1 or 3. And since x is 3 times y, the corresponding x coordinates will be 3 and 9. And that does us. Thanks very much for listening.